Hello everybody! In this video I'll show you how to equip multiple accessories in Roblox. So, if this video is gonna be useful to you, please like and subscribe to our channel. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first step is obviously go to the Roblox website. If you have an account, simply log in. If you don't have an account, feel free to open a free new account. So once you are logged in, just go to the avatar section. As you can see, I have already my avatar up and ready, and choose accessories. Let's suppose I want to equip multiple neck accessories. Click on neck. The jade necklace is already equipped, but I also want to equip my user red backstage pass and the Jones scarf. So, what I must do to equip multiple accessories? So, go to the accessory that you want to equip, in this case the Jones scarf, right click and open link in a new tab. I have already did that in advance. Once you have opened the new link in the new tab, in the search bar, as you can see, there is a link with a series of numbers. These numbers are the asset's ID. So copy the asset ID, right click, copy, go back in the avatar section and go straight in this section, advanced. Once you click on advanced, it will open a series of assets ID and numbers. Those are the assets IDs of the items that you have equipped on your avatar. So click on the blank space here in asset ID and paste the numbers that you have copied before and hit save. Hit save again, cancel, and now the avatar is changed. As you can see, it has the jade necklace and also the Jones scarf, but I'm not happy. I want to equip also the user at the backstage pass. I do the same identical procedure. Right click, open in a new tab, copy the asset ID, go back in the avatar section, advanced, asset ID, right click and paste. Hit save, cancel. And now, as you can see, Jones scarf, jade necklace, and user red's backstage pass are all three equipped simultaneously. It's a really simple method, and those are really few and easy steps. You can accomplish this task really in no time. So that's it for today's video. If this video was really useful to you, please like and subscribe the video. I'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching.